Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming exactly what YouTube says about the claim, because the remedy depends on the claim type. You open YouTube Studio, go to Copyright, and record whether it is Content ID, a manual claim, or a copyright strike. Once done, collect any proof of rights you have: licenses, invoices, or written releases, because you will need those when you contest or negotiate. Make sure to note the claimant and the affected timestamps before you proceed to the next step. You now decide on the appropriate, lawful response based on your evidence. If you have a license or a solid fair use rationale, submit a dispute through YouTube's provided form and attach your proof. Explain why the claim is invalid. Alternatively, reach out to the claimant to request a release or a license and try to negotiate monetization or removal. If negotiations fail, make sure to consider editing options. Replace the audio or remove contested material, rather than trying to bypass systems illegally. You finish the process by following through on the chosen path and preparing for follow-up. If your dispute is rejected and you truly believe the claim is wrongful, consult an attorney before filing a formal counter notice, because that can have legal consequences. Once done, monitor the claimant's response window and comply with lawful takedown notices or continue legal resolution. Make sure to archive all correspondence and licenses. Keep records to prevent repeated claims and to support any future disputes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.